let's suppose each of you were kind of stuck in an elevator for 30 seconds. You had a 30-second pitch, and there was an engineer who just quit Netflix because, well, I mean, stock price crashed. And they're like, I wanna like understand like why I should build something either on Solana or Celestia. What's your 30-second pitch? And Mustafa, maybe.
Okay. So this former Netflix engineer is presumably a web2 engineer. So I would use a web2 analogy. If you're a web2 engineer and you wanted to build a web application, you wouldn't want to build it on a shared hosting provider. Like, let's say, if you're familiar with DreamHost or GeoCities or Google Pages. If you use a shared web hosting provider, you're restricted in what you can deploy because you're stuck with the same execution environment that's provided to you by that shared execution provider. And also because you're sharing the same server as everyone else, you're also limited in scalability. That is very similar to deploying your application on a shared smart contract platform, that is a monolithic blockchain. Nowadays, Web2 developers use virtual machines on systems like Amazon EC2 or AWS, and that allows those developers to have their own virtual server and have full control over the execution environment and scalability of the application. And that is what building a rollup is like. You effectively have your own blockchain that you can do whatever you like on it and have any execution environment you want on it, and you can scale better because you're not sharing the same execution resource pricing as everyone else.